Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my favorite skincare for winter. This was actually requested by my friend here on YouTube. Her name is Nikki. She requested this a while back and I thought I would do it now just because I've had a while to try out some products and see like if I've been liking them for colder weather, because it is finally getting colder here in New Jersey. So yeah. So if you guys want to see my favorite skincare products for the winter, then keep watching. So before we get into the video, I'm just going to tell you my lip color today, and it is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in Give Me Mocha. That's what's on my lips, and I'm telling you now so I don't forget if someone asks me. If you don't care, then fine. I have super dry skin, like dry as a desert, dry skin. In the winter, the main like areas that get really dry on me are my nose, kind of like right here on my cheeks, and sometimes like under here ish, not really as much. That was really like when I was like a little kid. And this year, which has been really fun, has been my eyelids and under my eyes, which is awesome. That is a new dry spot for me. So my number one tip or trick that I actually learned from a dermatologist, she told me to do this even though she was a little crazy, is to apply moisturizer or lotion when your skin is damp. Now this is gonna sound a little weird, I hate moisturizing my skin, especially like my arms and my legs, in the morning. So I mainly do this at night because I do shower at night. So I'll always, when I get out of the shower, I'll dry like my face off really good, and then kind of my stomach, I kind of leave that a little damp too because I do have some weird dry patches on my stomach. And then I always just leave like my legs and arms a little damp and always apply a moisturizer. So the moisturizers that I have been loving are these two. This one I actually received from Influenster about a year ago. This is the Aquation Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I absolutely love this. All my dry skin goes away whenever I use it. And then I've also been using this Baby Dove lotion, which I also got from Dove for free, which I have a whole video on this. But I just love both of these. My skin, when I use them, feels so soft, and this one you just smell like a baby. I don't know, I just like the smell. But yeah, I just feel so moisturized and soft, and I have really bad skin. So for something to make my skin feel smooth and soft and hydrated, to me that means it's a good product, because it's hard for me to find something like that. So the rest of the products I'm going to mention are mainly for the face, because that's where I just like to make that my main focus. I feel like my arms and my legs, no one's going to really see in the winter time because I will be wearing like a long sleeve shirt or jeans or leggings or something, and no one's going to see my legs. Something I got over the summer is this Yes to Cucumber Soothing Cooling Hydrating Mist. This is kind of like that Inlight mist, if you guys saw that review. If you didn't, I'll link it down below. This is awesome. I actually got this from TJ Maxx for $5.99, and you pretty much just mist it on your face, and this is just a great thing to do. Like I was saying, to just make your face damp and then apply, why do I keep saying apply? Apply a moisturizer on top to get all of that moisture into your skin. I really like this. I don't use it every day, but I'll use it on days where I'm feeling super duper dry. Two creams that I like are this Yes to Coconut Hydrate and Restore Ultra Hydrating Facial Souffle Moisturizer. This I also picked up from TJ Maxx. It was $3.99, and this is awesome. This again I bought during the summer. It's just a white cream. It's kind of thick. It kind of feels like Cool Whip, but like a little thicker, if that makes sense. But I really like this. I used it in the summer to help with some dry spots because my face gets a little dry from like sunburn. And this just really helps. I really like it. I feel like this helped clear up any like dry patches, which was pretty cool because I feel like my skin takes a long time to like repair itself, and I don't really know why. I take my vitamins, I drink water, and I don't know. but this really helps any dry patches. And then this right here is the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm. This is an awesome cream. It's expensive. It looks like this. It's like a gel, and I really like this. CVS, the Beauty 360 brand, they make a cheaper version of this. I think this one and the Neutrogena one are between like $17 and $20, and the Beauty 360 one is around like $13 to $15. Yes, it's still expensive, but it really works. I really like it. I'm wearing this one right now on my face under all my makeup, and it doesn't break my makeup up. It makes my makeup looks good all day. This is great for if you put it on right before bed. It really takes away all those dry patches, and I kind of tend to put on a lot more than needed. You would probably need just like a little dots on your face, and it'll just, you know, when you smooth it all out and rub it into your skin, it'll work fine. But if I just like kind of layer it on, like do 2-ish layers, which yes, I know that's a lot, I have noticed a huge difference in my skin when I wake up in the morning. It will be softer and smoother and not as dry. Sometimes like I have to use it for like a couple days straight in order to notice all the dry spots go away, but I do notice a difference after like the first day or so. Another thing that is great before bed is this Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration overnight face oil. I have been absolutely loving this. I actually spilled this, and I spilled this one too. We used so much product, I was so mad. But this is so good. I noticed a difference in the first night I used it. My skin was softer, smoother. There was not a dry patch in sight. It was amazing, absolutely amazing. I noticed though that with this, if you pat it into your skin, it works way better than if you were to rub it into your skin. I patted it one day and my skin just felt so much better and softer. So I recommend patting if you're using like a face oil like this rather than like rubbing it in. Next up, I have 2 face masks. These are from the brand the Creme shop, I think. I got these both from CVS, and they are so good. This one with the snowman is called Let It Glow, and this is an ultra moisturizing jojoba oil sheet mask. It repairs dry, cracked winter skin. And then this one with the little gingerbread man is the Super Glow face mask, and this one boosted skin hydration essence locks water in to retain vibrant vitality deep within skin. Hydrating serums provide extra nourishment during cold winter months. I used both of these and noticed a difference with like overnight. Again, I did these before bed and woke up the next morning and noticed a huge difference. I really like these, and they both smell really nice. This one, actually, I think both of them, I felt like added that little like dewy glow to my skin. I really enjoyed these, and I want to repurchase them soon. Another cream I want to talk about is this Aveeno Baby Eczema Therapy Nighttime Balm. I will get little patches of eczema on my body. I get them sometimes like in here on my arm. I don't know like what this part is called. Is this your elbow or your weenus? Whatever. Under my butt, which is weird. Behind my knee. And I just get like random patches of eczema all the time. This clears it up instantly. I got this from PINCHme, and I like used the whole thing up. You can't tell, but I've used it almost all up. I also use this as a hand cream because my hands get extremely dry. I mean, my thumb is just cut open from it being so dry. But I really like this cream. It's really great if you have eczema or just any dry skin in general, because it really helps with the dry skin. Something else that's really great for dry skin is Vaseline. I just get, you know, the CVS brand, and I put this on my lips every night before bed. I've also put it on dry patches, like I was just mentioning with this, especially like on my legs, or how I was saying before, like my stomach gets dry patches, and this helps clear them up too. I don't know what it is, but Vaseline's a good thing to always have around in the wintertime too. And my last favorite thing is water. Water. Drink your water. If you have a hard time drinking water, get yourself a cute bottle. Mine has princesses on it. Belle, Rapunzel, Ariel. Get yourself a cute water bottle. Target has cute ones. Five Below if you have a Five Below in your area. And honestly, it's like a weird like thing. to get a cute bottle, but it actually works. So I recommend getting a cute water bottle. I noticed a difference in my skin ever since I started drinking water like all the time. I used to be a big soda drinker, and then I just randomly stopped one day and started drinking water, and my skin got, I mean, it's not, you know, 110% perfect, but it has gotten better, and yeah. And those are my winter skincare favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see me do next, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!